Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate swimming theme on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram. So click on that and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you update your Instagram application, you need to go back and you need to open Instagram application here. So once you open, you simply need to click on the messenger icon. And once you are here, you simply need to select any conversation with any of your friend. Click on the person name, click on theme, and from here you need to select the swimming. Wait for a few seconds and now you can see that swimming theme is activated for this conversation. And you can see that it is not activated in other conversations. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.